looking to improve delivery transportation, one of the first things that you will need to figure out is how your suppliers can improve the way they load their trucks. This sounds quite basic, but it can be a crucial bottleneck when a supplier is delivering many different products. Products should be loaded on the truck based on the sequence that they will be delivered. In addition to this, locations should be clearly defined in your system, and items that are being dropped off first should have the easiest access so that a driver does not have to search around for packages when they arrive at the receiving location. This very simple technique can really help improve the efficiency of delivery and receiving.